Welcome to our channel. We make science fiction, interesting history and on-demand infotainment. Subscribe and press the bell and never miss our upcoming videos.
10 Unknown Facts About India. Number 1. India introduced shampoo to the world. Among many facts about India, this one is the biggest source of amazement. The first ever shampoo was used by locals in India. Dried Indian gooseberry mixed with many other herbs was used to wash hair, a recipe that is still used in the country today. The word shampoo is derived from the Hindi word, champo. Number 2, the earliest diamond in the world was mined in India. It is believed that the first ever diamond recognized and mined was found in India among huge alluvial deposits of the stone on the bank of rivers Krishna and Godavari. Some of the world's biggest diamonds, today, were also found in India. Number 3, the highest cricket ground can be found here. Another shocking fact about India is that the Champ cricket ground in Chald, Himachal Pradesh, is the highest cricket ground in the world. It is part of the famous Chald military school built in the 19th century and sits at an altitude of 2,444 meters. Number 4, India took part in the discovery of water on the moon. This fact is recalled with a sense of pride by Indians. For the first time ever, India discovered that there is water on the moon. The Indian Space Research Organization's lunar probe, Chandrayaan-1 detected water using a moon mineralogy mapper. Number 5, the first ever rocket launched from India. The first ever rocket launched from India was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Thumba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Wow, it's amazing. Number 6, the woman nicknamed as the human calculator is from India. Shakuntala Devi from Bengaluru city in India earned a mention in the 1982 Guinness Book of World Records when she multiplied two 13-digit numbers and gave the correct answer in 28 seconds. The genius mental calculator was aptly nicknamed the human calculator. Number 7, Freddie Mercury and Sir Ben Kingsley have Indian grandparents. Legendary singer, Freddie Mercury of the British band Queen was Parsi born by the name Farrokh Balsora. Acclaimed actor, Sir Ben Kingsley was born to Rahim Chilaharji Bangji and Annalana Mary and his birth name is Krishna Pandit Bangji. Number 8, India sets up a voting poll booth for one. During elections, India sets up a voting booth in the Gir forest for only one person. Mr. Mohan Bharata's Darshandas has been voting since 2004 in the polling booth specially made for him every year. Number 9, it was the first country to produce sugar. India has been producing sugar since ancient times. People in the Indian subcontinent were the first to discover the use of sugar cane and its properties in medicine and food. Number 10, it is home to a floating post office. India has the largest number of post offices in the world. Like that didn't make India exclusive enough, there is a floating post office in a boat in Kashmir, India. The post office is on the famous and picturesque Dal Lake, a mainstay of Kashmir tourism, and the floating post office makes it even more unique.